Our Aegis Iron feature tractor this week is a historically significant McCormick-Deering 1530, and what makes it historically significant, this was one of many tractors that Harvey Firestone, the creator of the first successful pneumatic tire on tractors. This is one of his fleet of tractors, but the only one known to exist, and it's here at the Firestone Farm Tire Test Center in Columbiana, Ohio, and Ben Strawinski is the facility manager here and kind of the caretaker of the 1530. So this was one of Harvey's tractors. He had several tractors, right?
That's correct. This was stored on the south part of our property. A few years ago, we sent it out, had it restored. We brought it in for our visitors to view, and everybody's very happy to see it. It has a lot of significant historic value, and the restorer did a great job. It's back to the original colors and everything, and it came out very well.
Oh, it's a gorgeous restoration. What's neat about this tractor is you have many pictures of not only Harvey, but Harvey's children on the tractor running it. For example, there's a picture behind us here showing them pulling a combine in the field. So it was actually worked.
It was an actual working tractor. They used it on the farm just south of here, and then they also used it to test the agricultural tires on the farm.
No kidding. So this was one of Harvey Firestone's farms, right?
That's correct. This was deeded to the family in the early 1800s, Harvey's ancestors. This became the official test center in 1952. The tractor originally had steel wheels, as you could see in the picture. Of course, we have pneumatic tires on here now.
Yeah. Now, what's neat about the aspect of this tractor here, it harkens back to really one of the formational changes that happened with Firestone Tire, because as they were the first into pneumatic tires for tractors, that was a significant advance for this company, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Farmers worked very hard, many long hours in the fields, even with today's modern tires and modern agricultural equipment, because you could imagine back in 1929, the steel wheels. I imagine there was a lot of farmers that went home with aching backs and very inefficient on fuel. You couldn't go on the roads that would tear the roads up. So it was quite an improvement in 1932 to come out with the first practical pneumatic ag tire.
What's neat about this tractor too, it's nestled in the oldest building owned by Bridgestone Firestone. This is Harvey's barn, right?
Yes, this was actually his aunt's farm. Harvey's farm was just south of here where his house was, but this was the family's farm for many years. His ancestors' farm, and his aunt had an actual working farm here. But this building was built circa around 1840, so it's the oldest building in the company.
Oh my gosh, this is just loaded with history, and that's kind of the neat thing about coming here. Is it open to the public?
No, it's not open to the public. This museum we have for our dealers to bring people in. Sometimes we will have small groups come in if they contact us ahead of time. Our primary job here is to do testing, but we also do educating in different Firestone universities. So we can do some small groups and also dealers.
But I understand that's something you need to arrange through your Firestone dealer.
That's correct, Dave.
Ben, thank you for allowing us to come into the museum and see such a great tractor, Harvey Firestone's actual tractor. Well, for more information about this and other Aegis Iron tractors, you can go to agriculture.com/TV. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.